Hello, we are now on week 2 of our course, and I just wanted to give you another update. Overall, everyone did very well in the first week's assignment. I'm glad to see that you're using the help form, and it looks like things are generally going smoothly. Just a reminder that I don't accept any assignments after Sundays at 11:55 deadline, so be sure you get everything on time. I have had a few questions about the grading of the assignments. For many of you, your assignments, Moodle will automatically grade things based on a series of answers that I put in. I've tried to come up with every possible way that someone might phrase the answer correctly, but I may have missed some. I always check these manually, so I should catch them if you got it right but had the wording slightly off. But if there's one that you think you got right that got marked wrong, please email me. Also, just a quick content note, it looks like for the most part everyone's catching on with the big ideas like independent and dependent variables. Remember that the independent variables are those that the experimenter thinks of as the cause and are typically what's manipulated. The dependent variable is the outcome or the effect. You should be able to answer questions about the independent and dependent variable in just one word or phrase. If you give me a whole sentence with too much information in it, I'll take off points if you haven't clearly identified the independent and dependent variable. This week, when we move on, your first final project assignment is due. You need to look through the final project articles, which are located up here under final project information. Here you can see all of your article options. You need to look at them and select the one that you would like to do for your final project. Remember, you'll be writing a summary of the article, identifying key points, and then proposing a follow-up study. So in order to get your article approved, you just have to send me an email. I've given you a little bit of extra time for it. You have until Monday morning to send me that email, but you need to have received my response by 10 a.m. on Monday. So really you need to get it to me by about 8 or so. You're welcome to find your own article if you'd like, but if you do, please make sure to send me a PDF copy of the article along with your email so I can check it over. In terms of content this week, the first chapter we're covering is Chapter 3, which has to do with ethical issues in conducting research. Once you finish reading the chapter in the PowerPoint, I've posted a copy of this Brand article right here for you to read. Your assignment for this chapter will be a series of questions based on the reading, so the assignment's down here, and of course you'll have a test. Your second chapter for this week covers observational research. It also gives us our first introduction into correlation, so I've got a lot of links about correlations here. And we'll return to those later in the term. For your assignment for this chapter, I want you to actually go out and do some observations in a public space, so don't save this until 10 p.m. on Sunday night. The Word document is the assignment and looks something like this. First, you're going to conduct some qualitative observations, and then you'll conduct some quantitative observations, and then you'll answer a few questions about your experience. So basically, the Word document has the directions, and then you'll transfer all your responses to Moodle in the observation assignment, and then you'll have your Chapter 4 test. So have a great week, and as always, contact me if you have any questions.